Hello class, Mr. Geisler here today. And today we're going to compare and order rational numbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to see what order they go in from least to greatest, okay? So we're going to sit there and we're going to figure them out, which order they go in. So the first number I have up here that I'm going to graph up here is -3. So I'm going to put that on my number line, 0, -1, -2, -3. So that's going to be kind of my starting point here, okay, at -3. Now what's next? -5. So where would that go? That would go 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. That'd go right there, okay? So that's going to be -5. Now -3.3. So if I go over to -3, do I go to the right or to the left? Actually, it's going to be a little bit more negative. The bigger the negative number, the more left it is. So it's a little bit over here. So this one I'm going to label here because this is -3.3. Okay, so it's a little bit to the left. So it's in between -5 and -3. Now, -5.5, where would that go? Let's go over to -5. 1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And a half. So do I go to here? No, I don't go to the right. That'd be -4.5. I actually go to the left in between -5 and -6. So this is the point here, -5 and 1/2. Okay, that's that point right there. Okay, right there. Drawing an arrow to it. And then finally, what about 8? Just the number 8. Where would that go? Well, 0 is here. +8 would be over here. Okay, so this is going to be 8. All right. So let's order these from least to greatest. What's the smallest one? What's the one that's farthest to the left? -5.5. And I'm going to put a less than sign here. This means less than. If I put it the other way, this means greater than. So let's write that down. This means greater than. And this means less than. Okay? All right? And the arrow, this small end, always points to the smaller number. So what's next? -5.5. What's next? -5. Okay? So I put this one in there. I'm going to cross this one out, put this one in there. What's next? Is -3 next? Nope. -3.3 is next. So that's going to be a little bit bigger. Even though the number is smaller than the 5, it's less negative. So it's farther to the right. Okay? Now finally, we got -3 over here. And of course, what's the biggest number? 8. So is 8 bigger than all of these numbers? Yes, it is. So we can order them on a number line, or else we can order them using signs, okay? So real quick, what's bigger? -14 or -10? Now here's the thing. If I look at this number, the 14, it's bigger, right? But remember, the bigger negative number is actually less than. So here's -10, right? Here's -10. Where would -14 go? To the left. It'd go out here. -12, -13, -14. So it's to the left, which would make it smaller. So this is actually less than that. Okay? So that would be -14 is less than -10. And that's how we compare and order rational numbers.